Got my bags packed up, my uniform nice and folded. I'm going home, guys. I quit my job on this 95-foot Princess in the Bahamas that was chartering out of Nassau so I can become a full-time YouTuber again. I was working on this boat as a mate, and today is my last day. You gonna miss me?
Yeah.
I want to be a full-time YouTuber, and that's what I'm gonna do. Before I leave, we're gonna go have lunch. All right, we're out of here.
Vice Prime Ministers and then Finley. Like I told you, he was from Jamaica, basically. What time you got now?
3:21.
3:21.
Yep.
Okay.
I need to be there by the flight's at 6:45, so I like to get there by 5:30, 5:15, 5.
It's long before 5:30.
Yeah.
It's long before 5:30.
I've lost my flight before, and I'm paranoid. Yeah.
Bless up. Yes, sir.
So a lot of you guys who don't follow me on Instagram are probably wondering what I've been up to. For the past few months, I've been working on a 95-foot Princess motor yacht that's privately owned but also charters out of Bahamas. Check out this video I made for our New Year's charter. We had 4 guests. We went to Harbor Island and everyone had a great time. The primary gave me permission to share this video with you guys. I think you're really gonna enjoy it.
Beside me, 7 days and 20 hours since you left. Different ways, your voice still popping in my chest. And I still hope, I hope you're coming back soon. You're coming back soon. Take me to another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. To another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land, magical, magical land.
Get it?
Dreaming about those days with you. I can't stand that you ain't here with me. My life's a mess all because of you. Need you now to be right beside me. 7 days and 20 hours since you left. Different ways, your voice still popping in my chest. And I still hope, I hope you're coming back soon. You're coming back soon. Take me to another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. To another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land, magical, magical land. Magical, magical land. Magical, magical land. Take me to another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land. To another place where the fairy tales don't end. Magical, magical land, magical, magical land, magical, magical land. Magical, magical land. Magical, magical land.
I'm back home. I am back home and it feels great. You know what I'm doing today? I am putting the Checkmate together and we're gonna go to the East Island Runners event at the end of February. Here's the Checkmate. It's been sitting under the cover for a few months. That's a POS 150 Verado that was gifted to me that I thought might be a good idea to try to put together, but it's way too expensive, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna take that POS off. If you guys want parts, hit me up. Check out my new tow rig, 2008 Suburban. Got it for $3,000. It's not in the prettiest of shapes. Front end needs to be gone through, but for $3,000, if you guys know, you can't find no Chevy for $3,000. Good tires, Continentals, black leather, sunroof. I'm a happy guy. So this is gonna be my first LS turbo build truck. Next video, we're gonna be reviving the Checkmate. We're gonna be fixing all the defects I'm gonna show you today in the next video. But starting off with the rub rail, these are all riveted on, so I gotta take this centerpiece off and screw it in. This helm, I need a fiberglass this and modify that. Give it a nice polish. I want to change this decal. These hatches, if you guys are OGs, you guys remember I lost my hatches and I made these by myself and I never screwed them in. So I need to screw them in and put some latches on them. Want to rig them. I dropped off the injectors today at Fuel Injector USA. He's gonna be giving them to me on Monday. But yeah, I also want to do this little bit of fiberglass repair right here. So I'm back, guys. I'm gonna be posting as much as I can, starting off with the Checkmate. I know a lot of you guys are wondering, where's the race boat? Right now it's a swimming pool. Eventually I'll start making videos with it. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys are excited. Oh, the Liberator 21 Liberator, another project for the channel. This is gonna be a cool build that Pops is building and he wants me to help him out with it, so stay tuned for those videos. All right. Peace.